how to make does respond on Samyaknader. First grab swirl 2.222. Hey, can I have an ice cream? No. Grab -6 pitches, grab 1 pitch, and man, grab color changer, set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger, and here's the result.
Okay, Vogue, pinasikat of course ni Madonna. Gumaganyan si Madonna sa kanyang video before. Madonna, pinasikat ni Madonna back in the 80s. If you search it on YouTube, makikita nyo kung bakit siya sumikat. Okay? Kayo naman, over here? Who's dancing? Who's guessing? Okay, you're the people.
You know the dances, no? Sure? Or ikaw na lang? Ikaw!
Sige,
Dalawa na lang kayo.
Hindi pwede, isa lang.
Ikaw na lang sa'yo. Sir?
Okay, substitution! Last minute substitution. Tira natin kung mag-pay off. 12 items, 3 minutes. So, Makoy, ikaw ang bubunot. Show it to your teammates, okay?
Sa'yo kayo.
3, 2, 1, go!
Superman! Superman nga! Soup that. Soup. English. Okay, ano nga yung Hindi ko na siya maalala.
Pwede mag-pass, ha? Yes, go!
Yes, sir. Go!
Next, go!
Ballet.
Yes!
Ocho. Rumba, dance court, tango, jive, samba. Ano yan? Waltz.
Nice! Galing! Good job!
Robot.
Okay, sige, tuloy lang. Continue.
Waltz. Jive. Ano ba yan? English, Tagalog. Ano yan? Exercise, energetic dance,
Ayan.
Zumba!
Yay! Good job! Sige, sayo pa.
Ano yan? Teach me how to doggy.
Okay, next!
Oh my God! Explosion pen! Alam mo yan! Yo!
Anong tawag dyan?
Wala, ganun. Wait,
Ganun ako. Alam nyo, expertise na to.
Tagalog.
Papakita ko naman.
English.
1 minute!
Alam ko yan! Counting!
Yan! Sabi sa inyo, sinample ako, nakuha. 11.
Makarana. Makarana. Asarahe.
Yes! 3 more!
Salinong kanila, wala.
Nabunot nyo nga lahat ng mahihirap,
Ano
guys.
yan? Tagalog.
O, ikaw.
English.
Ayan.
Belly dancing. Okay.
Hindi nyo kasi nagawa ng maayos, mga boys. Nakuha ka agad kayo. Gumawa ko yun. 30 seconds.
Giyumi.
Last.
Rain dance. Ethnic dance. Sun dance.
Yay! Tama na. Sa kabila na dapat yan. Wow! So they got 60 points for the last game! Good job, Team Single! At ang final score natin, breaking away sa game number 5, 108 points para sa Team Single and 67 para naman sa Gimme One. Close na close ang ating laban kanina, pero bigla na lang lumayo ang Team Single. At dahil dyan, awarding ceremony tayo, guys. Over here to the front. Mix Olympics. Alright, there you go guys. Anong gusto niyo sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood at sa inyong mga kakompetensya ngayong araw na to? Overwhelmed.
No sweat, no sweat.
No sweat, Maris? No sweat? Madali lang? Really?
I'm so happy I have this finally. I don't have.
Oh, you don't have? It's been how many? Sorry, spot guys. It's been how many times? Three times. Three times you sure, I guess. Okay, come on.
Medal?
Yeah.
Yung last ko sa ano pa lang yun eh. 7-kilometer run, diba?
Why not?
Ito yung next.
Add that to the list. So congratulations, Team Sika. Sila. And kayo naman, of course, give me one. Anong gusto sabihin sa lahat ng mga nanonood?
Mag-aaral kami ng Poblas.
Hindi naman, alalalim ang binunot ko, pantanggo.
Bawi na lang sa susunod. But I hope everybody enjoyed for today. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much to 12 Monkeys as well. At of course, marami pa tayong mga exciting episodes ng Mix Olympics na darating sa inyo. So once again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. I hope everybody enjoyed. At sana nag-enjoy din lahat ng mga nanood sa atin ngayon. Make it trend once again. This is Mix Olympics!
How to make does respond on KineMaster. First, grab Swirl 2.0. Set the radius to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Grab -6 pitches. Grab 1 pitch and grab color changer. Set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger. And here's the result. That's it. How to not make does not respond on KineMaster. Grab color changer. 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 Set the color offset. Color offset. Color offset. Color offset. Color offset. Color offset. To 360 and the hue to 50. Make bigger, bigger, bigger. Then flip it. Then flip it. Next, grab Swirl 2.0, make the radius 50, and make the strength 10. Make it bigger, export it, flip it. Get the exported version, export it, get the exported version, flip it, grab 2 pitches, That's it. How to make KineMaster.
Dati ang aking buhay ay kulang sa sigla. Gandang taglay ko ay hindi nila makita. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, ang beauty ko'y nililingon na. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. Mundo'y magiging makulay.